Hello people of YouTube, I'm John and today we have a model from Atlas to take a look at. So let's go over to the workbench and do just that. Alright, so here's what we're looking at today. This is an Atlas HO scale REA Steel Express Reefer. And on Atlas's website I found half a dozen different road names or paint schemes on this, and also an undecorated one. The undecorated one goes for $33.95, and the decorated ones go for $41.95. Something else worth mentioning is that the car is packed with a parts bag and instructions on what's in the parts bag and how to install the parts. This is in Atlas's master line, and I think you'll be able to tell because the detail on it is remarkable. Let's have a closer look. So like usual, I have scrutinized the paint on this car and the markings. It's nothing short of perfect. There's something about this dark green color that really appeals to me, and the way that the logo on the right side there sort of pops off of the dark green is just really sharp. Something else I'm noticing is there's a lot of very fine detail around the door. This model is just better looking than what I was expecting. And I don't mean that as a knock on anything. It's just, it looks really, really good. You have separately applied grabs on this side, and then the ladder is also a separately applied part. And the stirrups are also very fine wire stirrups. This is cool. Looking at the brake end, you can see the separately applied ladder and separately applied brake wheel, separately applied brake platform. There's detail that comes down off the brake wheel and down over this sort of crossover platform here. Separately applied stuff, and the tack board also looks like it's separately applied. And we're not really looking at the roof right now, but I'm just going to point it out just how good the detail is up here around the ice hatch. And this looks like a metal walkway. We'll look at the top here in a minute, but I'm noticing this as I'm looking at it, and I'm really blown away at how good everything looks. And looking real quickly here at the A end, you can see it's similar detail, separately applied ladder, tack board, and you can tell also that that's a body mounted knuckle coupler down in there. Let's take a look at the roof. As I was saying, the hatch detail is especially nicely done, and this is a metal etched walkway. Very fine detail. This looks very, very good. All right, and looking underneath it, all this separately applied brake detail. Boy, this is good. I don't recall seeing this kind of detail on a lot of models like this. This is very impressive. And as I was saying earlier, you can see for a fact that these are body mounted couplers, right? So very good, Atlas. I'm really impressed with the detail on this car. I think this model has a lot of really great detail on it. I was kind of surprised at how complete the brake rigging is under the car. That was one of those things where I turned it over and I was kind of like, whoa, this is an Atlas model? Not that I'm saying anything bad about Atlas models, because they make great models. I just didn't expect to have that much brake detail underneath. So awesome job, Atlas. Very impressive, and I'm looking forward to seeing more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.